Nokia Drone Network, a subsidiary of the renowned telecoms giant, has made quite the splash in the world of unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs, with the release of their latest Hexacopter drone. This move signifies Nokia's foray into the exciting and rapidly expanding drone industry, targeting various sectors, including industries and businesses. The recently unveiled Hexacopter drone from Nokia brings a blend of affordability and simplicity that is poised to captivate the public's attention. The new Nokia Hexacopter drone stands out with its remarkable features, catering to a wide range of applications, from capturing breathtaking aerial insights to executing mission-critical flights. One of its standout qualities is its 5G compatibility, enabling high-speed data transfer and real-time communication in the sky. This robustly constructed UAV boasts industry-grade components, providing reliability and stability in diverse environments. Whether it's dust, water, or adverse weather conditions, the Nokia Hexacopter drone is engineered to withstand it all. Nokia's commitment to delivering excellence is evident in the drone's dual gimbal camera module, which comprises an integrated RGB lighting system and a thermal camera. This setup empowers users to capture stunning visuals and thermal data simultaneously, making it an ideal tool for various applications, such as search and rescue missions, infrastructure inspection, or agricultural monitoring. What sets the Nokia Hexacopter drone apart is its adaptability. The drone can be customized with additional accessories, such as searchlights, loudspeakers, or various sensors tailored for specific needs. These sensors can detect smoke, motion, radiation, or even incorporate lighter technology for advanced mapping and environmental monitoring. Manufactured in Europe, this drone adheres to strict quality standards and is a testament to European engineering prowess. Another innovative feature is the fully automated docking station, streamlining the process of launching and recovering the drone. This not only ensures ease of use, but also maximizes the drone's potential for autonomous operations. Nokia's timing in introducing their Hexacopter drone couldn't be better. With an increasing demand for drones across various sectors, this offering brings a level of sophistication that many have been waiting for. The drone's capabilities are noteworthy. Sporting a 30x optical zoom, it is being presented as a bespoke solution, offering unparalleled safety features. Precision landing capabilities make it suitable for applications requiring pinpoint accuracy. Fast battery charging ensures minimal downtime, enabling the drone to return to the skies swiftly. Nokia's Hexacopter drone is poised to make aerial movement routine, serving a multitude of industries and applications. While comprehensive specifications and performance statistics, as well as release and pricing details, are currently under wraps, the anticipation is high for what this innovative drone will offer to businesses and enthusiasts alike. In conclusion, the Nokia Hexacopter drone embodies the promise of aerial technology, with its rugged appearance, advanced imaging capabilities, and adaptability to diverse use cases. As it takes flight in the market, it is sure to draw the attention of professionals and hobbyists looking for a reliable and cutting-edge aerial solution. Thank you for watching our videos. It is very valuable of you. Have a good day and good luck on your side. God bless you.